everyone. So welcome to the new video with a new chapter, the noun gender. So let's begin the chapter. Chapter 4, the noun gender. In this chapter, you will learn what is gender. Gender क्या होता है? Masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender and the neuter gender. What is gender? Gender क्या होता है? Gender denotes whether a noun is a male, female or a lifeless object. Gender हमें बताता है कि noun जो भी है वो male है, female है या non-living thing है, lifeless object है. So thus there are four kinds of gender. Four kinds of gender होता है. First is masculine gender. Noun that denotes a male is said to be in the masculine gender. Boy, lion, king, uncle, etc. So जो noun denote करता है male को, तो वो masculine gender है. Male कोई भी हो सकता है, boy भी हो सकता है, father भी हो सकता है, brother भी हो सकता है. Feminine gender. Noun that denotes a female is said to be in the feminine gender. तो जो फीमेल को डिनोट करता है वो फेमिनाइन जेंडर होता है. गर्ल, लायनेस, क्वीन, आंट एक्सेट्रा. लर्न द फॉलोइंग मैस्कुलिन एंड फेमिनिन नाउन्स. फर्स्ट, ब्रदर, सिस्टर, लायन, लायनेस, मैन, वुमेन, मास्टर, मिस्ट्रेस, टाइगर, टाइग्रेस, अंकल, आंट, हीरो, हीरोइन, hunter, huntress. Now common gender. A noun that can denote either a male or a female. Common होता है जो मेल फीमेल दोनों के लिए हम यूज कर सकते हैं. That is said to be in the common gender. Like for example, bird, child, pilot, thief, doctor, animal, baby, parent, friend, etc. Friend में कोई भी आता है, cousin है तो कोई भी आता है, baby में कोई भी आता है, teacher में कोई भी आएगा, doctor में कोई भी आएगा. तो ये जो common होते हैं ये दोनों के लिए यूज होते हैं. Neuter gender. Noun that denotes a lifeless object are said to be the neuter gender. जो lifeless object denote करते हैं वो neuter gender होता है. Like book, bus, table, wall, chair, cloud, bone, desk, road, doll, etc. तो जितनी भी non living items हो जाती हैं. Formation of cut. Formation of feminine gender. We can change masculine gender to feminine in the following ways. तो हम masculine को feminine में change कर देते हैं. By adding ESS to the masculine noun. हम ESS को add करते हैं masculine noun में. Lion becomes lioness, poet become poetess, author become authoress, host become hostess. By dropping the last vowel and adding ESS to it. So hunter became huntress, waiter become waitress, prince become princess, actor become actress, governor become governess, tiger become tigress. By using an entirely different word हम use करेंगे तो cock become hen, dog become witch, boy become girl, brother become sister, king become queen, uncle become aunt, man become woman, monk become nun. Common gender में हम कोई word add कर देते हैं. Like कई बार bear, he bear, she bear, goat, he goat, she goat, calf, wool calf, cow calf, baby, he baby, she baby, friend, boyfriend, girlfriend. So like this you have to do that. Now it's time to exercise, time to answer. Take the correct. Masculine gender denote करता है males को, feminine gender denote करता है females को, common gender denote करता है both of these और neuter gender आपके denote करता है non living things. Now write the opposite gender of the following. Like girl का gender boy, aunt, uncle, governor, governess, cow, calf, bull, calf, she bear, he bear, shepherd, shepherdess. So like this you have to complete the rest of the parts. Now pick out the nouns in the following sentence and write their gender. So इसमें हमें पहले noun ढूंढना है, फिर उनका gender बताना है. शिवी is my sister. So शिवी आपकी सिस्टर है तो शिवी आपका फेमिनिन है, फेमिनिन जेंडर. Who are the hero and heroine in this film? Hero and heroine. So hero आपका masculine हो गया, heroine आपका feminine हो गया. A lady came to meet my father. तो lady is your feminine and father आपका father हो गए masculine. The princess loves her son. तो princess और son हो जाएगा. तो princess again feminine or son will become your masculine. So I hope you all have understood the chapter. Go through it again, revise it, and do the exercises carefully. We'll meet in the next video. Bye-bye. Take care. Thank you.